If apps didn't transfer to new iPhone, your plan might be temporarily stranded. Well, fret not. Go over this page to learn how to fix apps not transferring to the new iPhone. In several possible solutions, and this video is likely to provide you with a new idea. Default text part 2. Apps didn't transfer to new iPhone? 8 fixes for you. Fix 1. Reset network settings. Fix 2. Make sure your iPhone isn't out of storage. Fix 3. Ensure there's enough iCloud storage. Fix 4. Enter the password to transfer purchased apps. Fix 5. Check the background-based transfer process. Fix 6. Use App Store. Fix 7. Use iTunes. Extra. How to transfer other file types to new iPhone. Mobican transfer for mobile Win and Mac comes in handy when you'd like to transfer other file categories to your new iDevice seamlessly. It works for mobile data copy, irrespective of the OS your device is running.